Sanibona mphakathi, ninjani? Siyaphila umfoka Mkhonto onibingelelayo. Namhlanje njengoba kuyi-9 August 2026 nge-Women's Day. Sila eMkhondo-ke. MK Party yenza umcimbi lana wokucelebrate i-Women's Day la e-Amsterdam eMkhondo. Njengoba sibona nje abantu baphumile ngey'nkabi beze kuwo lo mcimbi. Siya se-Amsterdam njengamanje. Sizozwa nje ukuthi usuku luhlelwe kanjani. Mhlawumbe masingasondela sikhulume no-spokesperson waye-MK Party la eMkhondo, uComrade uFortune Mnisi, ozosinika i-brief kancane ukuthi yini ngempela ehleliwe la nezokwenzeka usuku lanamhlanje. So sizothi ukusondela kuye sithole everything ukuthi yini abayihlelile namhlanje lana njenge-leadership yaseMkhondo. Comrade Fortune, ninjani comrade?
Siphile mfoka Mkhonza kunjani?
Siyaphila.
Siyaphila.
Namhlanje i-9 August 2026 la e-Amsterdam. Mhlambe ungasinika kafishane ukuthi kwenzakalani la namhlanje i-MK Party yagcwala la e-Amsterdam.
Sibonge mfoka Mkhonza, sibingelele nabalandeli. As busy along the week sifaka kwamanye ama-media houses siba aletha ngale event yanamuhla. We took it upon ourselves njengomkhonto wesizwe eMkhondo sub-region ukuthi sibungaze usuku labomama la sabona khona bomama baphuma ngobuningi baboycott indaba yokusebenzisa kwamadompasi. So today commemorate bonke labo bomama boLillian Ngoyi, bonke labo mama who took part and boycotted the system ebeyi-oppress umuntu omnyama. So njengomkhonto wesizwe party today ngosuku lwabomama sithe sizohlanganyela la e-Amsterdam Ward 5 nase Ward 19, but umkhondo wonke in general with the central here sizoqhuba umzabalazo wabomama lo owango-1956 owaqala, but the systems may differ-ke. Today asisalwi nokusebenzisa abodompasi, sesilwa ne-systematic oppression that we see yenzeka. Abomama namuhla sithe akube ilanga labo ba-pave way forward ukuthi lo mzabalazo sihamba njani na ukuya phambili, because khumbula ukuthi lo mzabalazo udinga wonke ama-sectors. Last month bese-celebrate abantu abasha who partook in the revolution against the same system where they were enforced ukuthi basebenzise i-Africans by the regime. Today we are again celebrating abomama who partook in the revolution yokuchange i-situation eSouth Africa nezwe in general. So umzabalazo ngaphandle kwabomama awuphelele. Khumbula msakazi, abomama yinzala abantu, ngaphandle kwabo azikho thina. So sila sizo-celebrate bona, then we pave indlela yaphambili ukuthi siwulekelela kanjani umkhonto uma sithatha ugovernment nge-5 November. Simisa njani, how do we prioritize abomama singasebenzisi patriarchy for our self-benefit, but abomama asibanikezeni i-role, balide, bathathe responsibility, silandele ngembono.
Kuyezwakala. So ama-ward wonke awu-19 aseMkhondo uthamenyiwe basendleleni nje abanye bayeza nje.
Ubona nje msakazi kumamabhasi nalenzansi kunamanye amabhasi, khona amanye amabhasi esisawalindile bese siyangena sonke central in one area, sithathe nomhlahlandlela.
Okay. Mhlambe omunye uzothi njengoba sibheke kuma-elections May 4, mhlambe leli ithuba elihle elisetshenziswa i-MK Party ukutesta amanzi ngobhoko noma ukuzwa amanzi ngobhoko, mhlambe ungathini umuntu osho njalo?
Not necessarily, that is not the case. Remember msakazi, okwethu umzabalazo, it's a revolution, it's not electionary. Bathini ngesilungu. It's not electionary where we will be canvassing for supported votes, but
Yeah.
today we are only focusing ekuthenini abomama abasilekelele basinikeze i-way forward.
Yeah.
So that when we move forward, siphethe a template ebuya kubo ezandleni.
Yeah.
Kunenkinga ke ngaphakathi ze-organization. I think today it will be a relevant time and a relevant platform and an occasion la abazosilida khona bomama ukuthi siphuma kanjani. It's not about electioneering as of yet. Asikaqala ukucampaign. Sisazo-campaigna after we deliver the manifesto, but today we are celebrating usuku lwabomama.
Mhlambe to be specific endabeni yosuku lwanamhlanje i-Women's Day celebrate abomama yini specifically i-MK Party eMkhondo efuna ukubonisa ngayo ngokukhethekile ukuthi ngempela they are honoring women.
Kuningi msakazi njengoba ngeke ngakhuluma ngendaba yepatriarchy ukuthi masikhuluma ngabomama akumelanga sibabeke into position simply for compliance. Asibabeke ngoba sibona icapacity, ngoba sibona ba equal to the task. In the recent days kuwo lamalanga ezomkhonto wesizwe eMkhondo sibe nenhlanhla 3 yabomama baseMkhondo ba appointwe ku provincial leadership. One of them is the deputy organizer, so we have 3 yabomama kukho nendoda yodwa, and strategically that tells you that we prioritize abomama nomzabalazo wabamama. Our discussions and the program today, I think as the leadership we will have to agree ukuthi abomama abasilide, then we follow behind. Thina esikwenzile is to organize the event together with abomama.
Okushothi nje makungathi uyenzeke yawina vele i-MK Party eMkhondo ikhona i-possibility ukuthi singagcina sithole ngisho umeya ongumuntu wesifazane
ufaka phansi kwebhasi
ngoba phela abanye banawo lowo muzwa lowo ukuthi thina amadoda isikhathi esiningi mangabe sekuyiwa ngama-position asibabukeli lawo ma-position kodwa njengoba sowuchazile ukuthi i-patriarchy is none of
we do not subscribe to patriarchy.
Kuyodependa ukuthi kuhamba kanjani
I think on the issue of the leadership and the outcomes, remember Umkhonto Wesizwe is a different organization that subscribes to democratic centralism, and all the decisions are taken by structures within the organization. Nathi siyakufisa lokho, but depending on the outcomes of the selection process that we are still undergoing and all that, but nathi siyakufisa lokho ukuthi but we are not saying that is the case, and we are not opposing to the idea, but we are just saying any decision from the leadership on the higher structures, we will support it 100%. But today, sihlanganele nje celebrate abomama.
Mhlawumbe last question yami izothi nje ihamba kanjani i-campaign so far yoMkhonto Wesizwe?
So far kuMkhonto Wesizwe the main agenda was the issue of registrations. So far we are moving smoothly, we are cruising nicely. So said another gentleman ukuthi we are cruising nicely. We are in that process ukuthi ihambe kahle i-process yama-registration, and people on the ground are very much positive ukuthi bayo support uMkhonto Wesizwe as the alternative to the former liberation movement. So far we are not complaining, we are just creating an environment where we will be able to share ideas, sazi ukuthi masisuka la siyaphi njengama-ward ase-Mkhondo in general.
Hayi kezwakala comrade. Siyabonga kakhulu comrade Fortune.
Asibonga msakazi.
Siyabonga comrade Fortune Mnislow oyi-spokesperson ye-MK Party la eMkhondo bese chazile ke ukuthi lo suku lwanamhlanje lumayelana nayo. Sizophinde sithole no head we-election yethu la eMkhondo ubaba uNkosi. Sizwe ukuthi mhlawumbe yini angasichazela yona ngalosuku lwanamhlanje mhlawumbe nangendaba ethinta i-IEC. Prof
Mhlongwane,
comrade,
siyaphila Mhlongwane.
Siyaphila njani?
Hayi siyaphila leadership.
Hayi siyaphila nathi.
Siyabonga.
Sifikile manje sila eAmsterdam namhlanje i9 August.
Sise Amsterdam sithi asithathe le program sihloniphe abantu besifazane.
Yes.
Kunomehluko phakathi kwabantu abawomama. I-Women's Day. Sithi nje sike siyenzele bonke abantu besifazane.
Yes. Alright. Inhloso nje enkulu ukuba honorisha namhlanje.
Siyaba honorisha sithi lento eyenziwa oleleni ngoyilapha yana. Sicela ukuthi bomama lokho ababekulwela ukuthi akungabi phela nalenkinga yamapasi, yabona ukuthi siyabona nje. So lento ababeyilwela labo mama sithi ake sibahloniphe nalabo abakhona ke namu.
okusho ukuthi namhlanje nje bangama VIP nje
namhlanje omama bangama VIP sibahlonipha bonke nje wonke umuntu wesifazane sithe siwumkhonto wesizwe ake sithathe lethuba sibahloniphe
ngiyubuzile lo mbuzo ku spokesperson la uFortune Mnisi
okay
ukuthi omunye uzothi awubheke MK Party iyozwa amanzi ngobhoko laphiyana ukuthi ukhetho oluzohamba kanjani ungaphendula uthini kumuntu osho njalo
ukuzwa amanzi ngobhoko Mhlongwane ku right uyabona uma uzonyathela Mhlongwane ucala ucheck uthi ukunyathela ubona ukuthi kuqinile yini kodwa thina asithi senza amanzi ngobhoko into nje esingakayifaki emqondweni leyo esikufaka emqondweni ukuthi nje sizobungaza abantu besifazane bethu esinabo emkhona
hayi kezwakala mhlambe masibheka nje sale singena mhlambe endabeni yomkhankaso ngoba phela sibheke kuma elections vele 4 November seziseduze ungathini ngokuphawula kwakho iprocess mhlamba ke ngithi campaign yomkhonto wesizwe umkhonto ihamba kanjani nje since kunama registration kuze kube manje njoba bekuvalwa nje last weekend
Mhlongwane ngingasho ngithi kuhamba kahle kakhulu uhlelo lolu Mhlongwane lokuvota lingasho ukuthi uzovotela lelo qembu lakho ulwe ngalo ukuvota nje Mhlongwane kubaluleke kuwo wonke umuntu ukuthi aye lapha yana ayovota lamalungiselelo lawa Mhlongwane sithathe igxathu siwumkhonto wesizwe emkhondo sub region ukuthi ake siqede ngale process le yamakhansela nominees ubonile Mhlongwane kuhambe kahle kuwo wonke lama ward woyi-19 sikhonile ukukhetha bahambile nje abantu bayovethwa manje uyayibona isona step ke esinaso manje sizongena ku step 2 njengoba uminister ememezele ngolwesihlanu Mhlongwane ukuthi so uyaligazethe ilanga lokuthi ngeyi4 vele yiko okwenzekayo kuyovota so kwabe sekuyamiswa ke ukwenza ama registration bese sesibhizi ke Mhlongwane ukusuka kule weekend le ephelile sigijime kakhulu Mhlongwane kuwo wonke ama ward senza sure ukuthi labantu asibaregister ngobuningi ku online ngendlela yokuthi phela Mhlongwane bese sewazi ukuthi uma ke aze agazethe uminister ngo12 o'clock ebusuku kusuke sekuvala so sazama ukuthi kufika lo 12 o'clock ka minister sibe sesiqedile sa register abantu abaningi kuwo wonke ama ward sabona ukuthi hayi cha impela kuyasetshenzwa bengithumelela nami Mhlongwane ukuthi hayi sesibatholile abantu abangaka abanga registile sisebenze kakhulu Mhlongwane kusukela Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Mhlongwane asebenzile ama comrade go ward 9 go ward 11 go ward 15 ngibonile ama comrade ephusha kakhulu Mhlongwane egijimisa nje ukuthi abantu aba register singasasho ukuthi ivotela umkhonto sesithi nje registerana uyayibona bese sigcina ngakho ke lokuthi ivotelana umkhonto
hayi ngiyajabula ukuzwa lezo indaba so nje nanelisekile
sinelisekile impela indlela esenze ngayo Mhlongwane sisebenzile impela baningi abantu esibatholile ngezikhathi zokugcina sakhona ukuthi siba register emkhontweni wesizwe senza lo hlelo la online
nawe ake ngikufake phansi le bus engifake kuyo uspokesperson okusho ukuthi njoba sikhuluma ku-Women's Month sho ukuthi anything is possible emkhondo uma sekiwa endabeni zama-leadership position ukuthi singababona nabantu besifazane bephezulu
ngeke ngathi ngikhuluma msakazi komunye Mhlongwane umsakazi ngathi sidinga abantu besifazane beze ngobuningi babo bathathe ama-position singabaniki ama-clerk obani angifuni futhi ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe wenze iphutha lokuthi uzothatha umuntu for the sake of umuntu wesifazane sengidinga manje ukuthi kumkhonto wesizwe abantu besifazane ababe nalento esithi capacity if loyo muntu enayo icapacity enawo ama qualities ukuthi angaba umeya angaba usomlomo angaba uchief whip sithi thina kwamukelekile loyo owesifazane onjalo siyomsupporta futhi simseke but angakhethwa ngoba kuwumuntu wesifazane sifuna umuntu one capacity sifuna umuntu onama qualities sifuna umuntu ozothatha umkhondo from one point to another hayi for the sake of ukuthi wesifazane sesiyagcwalisa nje Mhlongwane
hayi kezwakala ngiyabona kunomnyakazo manje mhlambe kuzosukwa lana kumashwe ey'tradini kuqala noma kuzokwenzakalani?
Makusuka lana Mhlungwane nje sesilate ifuna siwele manje.
Yeah.
Uma kusuka la Mhlungwane laba bazosuka la baye eholweni.
Yeah.
Thina manje i-leadership
Yeah.
izohamba iyokwenza i-briefing kwenye indawo.
Okay.
Yes, khona enye indawo esihlelelwe yona ye-briefing. So azosuka nje manje lana ama-comrade wonke ama-volunteer ahambe ngomgwaqo ayongena eholweni.
Okay.
Kusho ukuthi nje sothi basiqeda briefing bese siwabisa.
Hayi kezwakala.
Asiwele Mhlungwane manje siyobuza i-briefing.
Hayi siyabonga hayi. So okuningi sokuxoxa ngendlela na after usuku lwanamhlanje.
Thank you very much.
Siyabonga kakhulu Bamkhosi.
Siyabonga.
Siyabonga Bamkhosi la elections head wala eMkhondo ongiyena oxhumanisa iMK party neIEC eMkhondo. Njengoba simzile ukuthi bonke kuhamba ngendlela abantu barejistile and all that futhi ekuveza nokuthi abantu besifazane baseqhulwini endabeni zokulida umphakathi ukuze isimo sasemzansi sibe ngcono abantu besifazane bangalida babe phambili nabo njengembokodo. Ake siqhubeke ke siyozwa phambili ukuthi kuhamba kanjani njengoba sekiwa eholeni. So buye sihlangane later. Ngiyabonga. Leadership izoqala yenze i-briefing yayo. Bazohlangana bebodwa la bacacise ukuthi noma babonisana ukuthi usuku lwanamhlanje bazolihlela ngayiphi indlela. Ngoba sibabona nje la bazongena kwi-meeting khona la eMkhondo Amsterdam njengoba ku-celebrate-wa i-Women's Month. Ya injalo indaba. Sizoqhubeka ke sinilethela zona. Comrade. Napila comrade. Napila. Napila nathi. Hamba kanjani ngapha? Niyaphila.
Siyaphila.
Yeah, leadership.
Asimukela abaholi sibekelene ngokomkhondo sihanjelwe ngabaholi la abaphezulu sizocela ukuthi sibamukele abaholi mhlawumbe sikhombise nangokwe leadership senamukele abaholi leadership abahloniphekile sanimukele eMkhondo baholi usizake leadership siyabonga thokoza ya uthokoza spokesperson usayithindise nobhati nobhati ya shemela
Siyabonga.
siyabonga Thokoza. Security.
Wala mfetho. Sheme.
Organize. No, siyabonga kakhulu mfoka Mkhonza. This is the leadership.
Yeah.
Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi basibusise especially abaholi be region kanjalo no comrade uShoma from the parliament yaseMpumalanga. Sibonga ipresence yabo umcimbi sesimcimbini manje umcimbi wethu uzoqala manje. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Kunjani mphathi?
Phela mphathi njani? Yebo ba.
Ukobre kugena nemotweni zambeni, ngayipopoti, sithatha ukupopota simnikezi.